How would you like to make your money work harder without ever stepping foot inside a physical bank? If you're tired of hidden fees, low interest rates, and inconvenient branch hours, you're in the right place. We're diving into Ally Bank, one of the top online-only banks, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up an account and start managing your money. This isn't just about switching banks, it's about upgrading your finances. Ally is famous for its high-yield savings account, which typically offers interest rates much higher than traditional banks, and its excellent 24/7 customer service. Plus, they make banking incredibly simple. Let's get started. 1. Opening your account. The great thing about Ally is you can open your account in under 10 minutes. First, you'll head to their website and click the Open Account button. Ally offers a few different accounts. The high-yield savings account is a must-have, and their interest checking account is a great option for everyday spending. For this tutorial, let's assume you're opening both. You'll need to provide some basic personal information: your name, address, date of birth, and your social security number. This is standard for any bank, as they need to verify your identity. Next, you'll choose how you want to fund the account. The easiest way is an electronic transfer from your existing bank account. You'll just need your old bank's routing and account numbers. Don't worry, this process is secure and encrypted. Once you review and submit your application, you'll get a confirmation, and you're officially an Ally customer. 2. Navigating the Ally interface. After your account is open, log in to access the dashboard. Ally's online and mobile interface is incredibly intuitive. The first thing you'll see is a summary of all your accounts and their current balances. On the left-hand navigation, you'll find the key sections. Transfers. This is where you'll move money between your Ally accounts, like from checking to savings, or send money to an external bank. It's fast and easy. Payments. This feature allows you to pay bills directly. You can set up recurring payments for things like rent or utilities, and Ally will send the money on your schedule. Zelle. For sending money to friends and family instantly, Ally is integrated with Zelle. You just need the recipient's email or phone number. Deposits. Since there are no physical branches, Ally uses mobile check deposit. You simply use the mobile app to snap a picture of the front and back of your endorsed check, and the money is deposited. 3. The best features for beginners. Ally has a couple of standout features you should start using right away. The first is savings buckets. In your high-yield savings account, you can digitally partition your money into different goals, maybe one for a new car, another for vacation, and one for emergency fund. The money stays in one account, earning high interest, but you can track your progress toward multiple goals. It's a game changer for budgeting. The second is ATM access. Ally is part of the Allpoint ATM network, which means you have access to over 43,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. And if you use an out-of-network ATM, Ally will reimburse you up to $10 in fees per statement cycle. Switching to Ally is all about simplifying your banking, boosting your savings, and making managing your money a seamless, digital experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.